Welcome back and welcome to another Do Homework with Me Geometry. If you don't have the same worksheet, that's okay because it's online. It's free for everyone to use. All right, this question. Before we start it, we need to pray first. We have a beautiful verse from Luke 22:42. Father, if you are willing, take this cup from me. Yet not my will, but yours be done. And this reminded me of a beautiful song. If you like, you can search Have Thy Own Way. And Heavenly Father, please guide me to do your will. Okay, let's look at question 9 and 10. Each pair of figures, their solids, is similar. Find the scale factor on the left to the right, okay? From the left one to the one on the right. And then we need to find the ratio of surface area and the ratio of volumes. It looks a little bit busy, but it's okay. It's actually a simple fix. The red one is already the key. Remember, you always try your best first before you check the key. Now, we're gonna write down the steps, okay? All right. When you want the scale factor, you need to find the length that indicated such as the radius, such as the height, such as a slant height, such as if you have a prism, you have length with height. Okay? For this reason, I'm looking at 100. I'm looking at 80. And I simply write down 100 over 80. Then I do the first one, simplify. And 10 to 8 is not simplified enough because it's and okay, then you simplify it. Now you get a 5 to 4. You can write down 5 to 4 and 5 to 4. That's the scale factor for these two solids. Now ask us to find the ratio of the surface area. Simple. All we need to do is we square them. In the previous video, in order to find the scale factor, we square root it. And this time, we squared because we have the ratio of the such as the side length, such as the height, such as the lateral height, such as length with height, okay? And then if you want to find the ratio for surface area, you will square it. Why? Because think about area always comes like this. Okay? Always have a little square. Therefore, you will square it. I hope you see. Oh, it all makes sense, right? Now we got this one. Okay? And now the last one, we need to find volumes. I guess you probably already figured out. Oh, if it's area, I need to square it. Doesn't mean if it's a volume, I will cube it. Yes, I will give a power of 3. And I have 1, 2, 5, 2, 64. And we are done here. Okay, since I did 9, guess what? I hope you will work on 9 one more time. Make sure you write it down. And then you're gonna tackle question 10.